One day, Tara was just riding along, minding her business, doing her Uber route. She was just riding, and she was waiting on a call, and she got a call. It was from her brother, Reggie. He gave her some good news. She cheerfully drove on. Then she got another phone call. It was time for her to pick up a rider. She got one customer, then another customer. Then her phone rang. Who could it be? Oh, I gotta pick up Reggie. Tara picked up her brother Reggie. That was fun, having fun, laughing, joking, playing with each other. Just sister and brothers having fun, talking shit. I mean, really, really, really talking shit, having fun. They was giving each other hell. Next thing you know, boom, Reggie took off. Tara was like, what the fuck did I just see? Then the craziest shit happened. She took off. Just like that. Don't be loud. Don't be loud. I'ma roll this out.